This is a very quick video to tell you how to split the tailgate push button on a T6, T5, T6, 6.1. So I've removed and Ducati fan there. I've removed the actual handle where you put your hand in and you press the little micro switch. Micro switch fails, so I've got it out of the van already, and I've just spent ages trying to work out how to split this part from the actual handle part here, so I don't have to buy a color-coded strip already. And the way you do it is you've got 4 holes here, and you have to carefully put a screwdriver in and then gently lever it away, and it slides on these 2 little rails here. So I'll just pause this and then I'll show you. There we go. So it slides on these little rails here, and so eventually you can just slide the whole thing off like there we go. So it comes off like that. So not a brilliant design by Volkswagen, and inside it shows you why it's failed, because all the wet and the corrosion. So when you put your hand in, that mechanism there is your micro switch, and as you can see, it's got fully corroded in there, so I'm going to have to replace that. But it does mean that I don't have to replace once I've cleaned all that up, that's the bit on the outside. So it's just this bit, which is approximately 50 to 60 quid. Hope that helps. So I thought, this is broken anyway, so I'm going to have a quick look at the micro switch anyway. So I took the plate out, and there is the micro switch. Tiny little switch. I've done a continuity on the 2 pins, pushing that in and out, and it doesn't work. So somewhere on that little switch there, probably a 20p switch, is now going to cost me 60 quid from VW. But there you go, it's better than the 200 quid for the whole unit, including the color-coded strip. So there we are. Final video on the door latch micro switch issue. So that's the housing that I took out yesterday. The micro switch actually sits right in there, and the actual micro switch itself, just get this into focus, and that is the little micro switch itself. Just hear it clicking there. So that's the bit that's failed. That probably costs a few pence, but being as it's actually embedded right in this thing here, and you can't get that out without breaking this, it's going to cost me 70 quid for about a few pence worth of micro switch. Rubbish.